Hi, thank you for joining me today. I have a little helper, my grandson. Today we're going to make a St. Patrick's Day card called Hoppy Naturally Green Day. We're using Close to My Art, Sweet Leaf, and black cardstock, as well as images from Cricut Access, Little Sweethearts, Funny Faces, and Nurture Nature. You'll be able to access this file below. I'd like it if you would maybe subscribe to my channel, and then if I have any other projects in the future, you'll be able to see it and be able to access the files then as well. We're using a dot glue runner to adhere it so that it's not so messy, and a glue eraser to pick up the little adhesive dots that are left over, or on the letters when we stick it down if there's any peeking out the sides, to just clean it up a bit. As well as when we are adhering the googly eyes, we are going to be using the glossy accents to hold the eyes on nice and strong. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And maybe you can use this with someone that you have that's visiting you, or maybe you're stuck at home like a lot of us with little kids. And it's a nice, cute little card for St. Patrick's Day. Anyways, have a great day and happy St. Patrick's Day. Remember, keep memories and celebrate life. Bye.